Good morning, class. We discussed our product, the cylinder tank, and we have the learning objectives for our topic or product. And at the end of the lesson, the students should be able to list the materials can use in cylinder tank, demonstrate the process of the cylinder tank, and value the importance of cylinder tank. And our motivation for our product is technology is best when it brings people together by Matt Mullenweg, a social media entrepreneur.
Our product procedure of cylinder tank in refrigeration system. The cylinder plays a crucial role in compression stage of the refrigerant. About cylinder tank. A cylinder tank in refrigeration system is typically used to store refrigerant. It's where the refrigerant is held before being circulated through the system to absorb heat from the surrounding and then release it somewhere, allowing for cooling or freezing. Ang ating product na cylinder tank ay kaya nito mag-store ng refrigerant para magamit natin to transfer to another cylinder tank and to store again if our product is no longer available as refrigerant. Procedure for cylinder tank.
Take stroke. The piston moves downward, creating suction that draws the refrigerant vapor into the cylinder from the evaporator. Ang piston nag-move downward para magkaroon ng para buhaba yung refrigerant at magkaroon ng vapor to cylinder from the evaporator para mag-evap po yung refrigerant papuntang cylinder. Stroke. The piston moves upward, compressing in the refrigerant vapor to high pressure and temperature. This is where the refrigerant energy increases, preparing in the condensation stage. Inaatak nito ang piston pataas para mag-compress ang refrigerant para magkaroon ng high pressure and temperature para magkaroon ng energy increase para mag-prepare ang condensation stage.
Discharge stroke. Once the refrigerant compressed to the desired pressure, the discharge valve open, allowing the high pressure vapor to exit the cylinder and enter the condenser. Kapag ang refrigerant ay na-compress at na-reach na niya ang desired pressure, ang discharge valve ay ma-open and pwede na siyang magpakawala ng high pressure vapor para makalabas ito sa cylinder and makapasok ito sa condenser. Exhaust stroke. The piston moves downward again, expelling any remaining gas and the cylinder to prepare for the next intake stroke. This circle repeats to maintain the flow of refrigerant throughout the system, allowing for efficient cooling and freezing. Ang piston ay magmo-moves pababa para makapaglabas ng gas na intake na natira sa cylinder para makapag-prepare ito ng panibagong intake stroke at mag-repeat yung cycle papunta sa ating system kung saan ang pwede neto maging cooling or freezing sa ulit.
And our vision for our product is all HVAC technician will no longer struggle when charging refrigerant, and they will be effective and efficient technician in the future, and to provide our clients with ultimate comfort through creating and maintaining the ideal indoor living environment during any season. And our mission for our product cylinder tank is to build superior quality refrigeration equipment and give efficient service that will help our clients and tailor your products and service to meet the specific needs and preferences of our clients.